Hello and welcome to Design Guy. Want to create eye-catching burger posters? I'll show you all the Canva tricks you need. Go to the Create tab and select it. In the search bar, type Poster and choose the long or full gas portrait option from the suggestions. This will open a new design canvas with the correct poster dimensions. Next, look for the Elements panel in the sidebar. Click on Elements to browse available graphics, shapes, and illustrations. You can search within this panel or scroll to find specific design elements you want to use for your poster. Once you find an element you like, click it to add it to your canvas. After it appears on the poster, you can move, resize, or rotate it as needed to achieve your desired layout and visual impact. Change the font size by selecting the text box, then clicking on the font size dropdown in the toolbar and choosing your preferred size. To add a contact, click the Add Contact button, fill in the required information such as name and email, and save. These adjustments help personalize your document's appearance and keep your contact details organized for easy access later. To add elements, look for the Add Elements button on the left-hand menu of your screen. Click this button to open the Elements panel. Here, you'll see a variety of element types like shapes, lines, icons, images, and more. Scroll through the available options or use the search bar to find a specific element. Once you find the element you want, click it to add it to your project. You can then drag, resize, and position the element as needed. When you finish creating your poster, click the Share button in the upper right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Download. Here, you'll be able to choose your preferred file type for saving, such as PNG, JPG, or PDF. Finally, click the Download button to save your poster to your computer. Click the Download button to save the file to your computer. Wait for the download to finish, then open the file from your Downloads folder. You just learned how to design a modern burger poster in Canva. If you found this useful, hit like and subscribe for more creative tips.